That's hard. You're never going to be in the picture.
Yeah, Edward didn't do that.
Yeah.
Now Edward, Peter Paul, Tanya, Diane, Joseph Goldie, getting ready to go to Washington and meet the ambassador from.
She has her one.
Хорошо, huh?
I'm going to get on an airplane and fly to Washington.
Yeah, why? What's the purpose of going to Washington?
Okay, I think it's one of the most important visits which Washington enjoy now, because we're going to tell them that a new large-scale cooperation between performing arts community in Russia and America can restore a great heroic times in Russia and America, together resisting enemies, and now can together go out of the crisis. And it's not propaganda. It's a system of interactive communications between sister cities. For instance, two neighbors in California, Los Angeles and San Diego, have two sister cities, Vladivostok, St. Petersburg, which are having leverage 11,000 miles between each other. So practically from here we can attract attention of the whole Russia. And Peter, yeah. To build a bridge, yes. So the two small neighbors here, not small but two close neighbors. So this is a challenge. It all depends on how we convince Washington to believe in this project. I believe we can do it. Yeah.
Хорошо.
Thank you for your attention.
Well, this man is a genius. He's a visionary. He's going to transform the whole world. Yes. Wait. Because you're the best looking thing.
Movie. Why are
There
we
you
doing
go.
a movie?
Because you look like a movie star.
They're going to use all the tapes before we get to Washington.
Well, this is whatever the boss says.
At the airport.
Sure.
Would you cut it out? What is this?
Очень удобно, когда фотографируют, когда вот единственное, получается, что прямо правильно.
Да, прямо?
Хорошие очки. На память. This is Russian embassy in Washington.
That's a good question. I asked Jennifer that too. And she didn't know. No, she didn't know either, but everybody knew when she started checking, everyone knows who he is. Peter Paul was someone else. He didn't know.
Добрый день, я Йосиф Гольдин.
Peter, can I ask you to come out for a moment, please? Go ahead.
The Catherine the Great, yes, I brought the catalog. It's marvelous. You cannot believe, one of the things we want to do in Space Bridge is read some of the comments that the American people, visitors, have written about it to the people in Russia about how thrilled. I always saw the building of it. That's right. I always saw the building. Yes, I grew up in Capital. Director of Planning and Development, and, right, there are.
We were given the ambassador.
You were into
National
Sherry
Archive
Ellen
book,
Johnson,
Bill of Rights,
takes the three of us.
signed by James Littell. It's a wonderful life and Muhammad Ali.
Well, although Dr.
Personified,
Reddick is
I
head of
think, the
Occidental
totality of what the
Museum,
Bill of Rights.
as is our legal counsel, Attorney Stern, yes. So that's the separation of church and state, but it really isn't.
No, Don Ron.
Well, maybe we could.
Well, part of one reason that was.
His work. It's very unusual work for Ayvazovsky because he was a famous Marinist, as you know, but this particular painting shows
Totally
the view of
different of
Moscow
his-
from the nearby in winter.
But your most famous painting is gone.
There's a satellite link to St. Petersburg. Subject and the sister cities program between Moscow organized the Hermitage. You know the Catherine the Great shows down.
I'm very well familiar with this. I know Valery very well. I know the
Yes,
museums.
right.
I know this what of course, will be interested if you have any written materials about programs.
Oh, yeah, it's the first official presentation of the letter. So now we're focusing on developing the program around it.
And the invitation that we're sending out has
A picture of
Yeltsin holding the flag.
So actually, you are director of this program.
I'm executive president.
And, yes, it is, very strong. Oh, yes, very strong, yes. Oh, yes, on January 3rd of this year. Yes,
Los Angeles County.
yes.
It's the new.
And there's someone who's going back and forth between St. Petersburg and Los Angeles.
А это Zoom.
Can you take another one?
Peter.
So good.
How's the design?
Скажи, что идея памятника, чтобы там присутствовали постоянно какие-то документальные.
Yes.
Да, живые маски, которые присутствовали всегда.
It's the moment that broke the backs of communism.
So we're talking about artwork, not
An actual tank.
an actual tank.
An actual tank is coming, it's part of
Becomes a piece
it.
of
Yeah.
final part.
Inside these 3 walls will be a physical tank. And out of what of course, when you get very tired on the plane ride, you come up with these things. I would like to see this go down Wilshire Boulevard after all those years of everybody thinking that communism was going to arrive in the shores of Santa Monica. This is the perfect way. It's going to have Russian tanks. Well, we're going to have one.
Do it during rush hour.
Do it. Yes. Do it during rush hour. Absolutely. But
What I normally call my
ведущему режиссеру мира Стэнли Грауну. Вручает обычно президент Америки.
He will be joining us momentarily.
Да.
I mean, he was
В этом году будет очередной. Но еще есть
Как мы с вами договоримся? Давайте я оригинал все-таки прочту. Как вы переведете? Потому что это будет логично. Ну что же, уважаемые коллеги, прежде всего я прошу извинить меня за задержку.
Let me apologize first of all for
Я работаю первые дни, поэтому как неопытный посол ничего не успеваю.
These are my first days on the job. As any inexperienced ambassador, I don't have really time to do everything.
Возможно, это отражает первые этапы нашей реформы.
Well, perhaps this is a reflection on the first stage of our
Но
reforms.
я уверен, что и здесь, и
But I'm
у нас в
convinced-
России, что значительно более важно, дела пойдут лучше.
Both here and back in Russia, things are going to be better soon.
Ну, мы сейчас собрались по случаю довольно важному, интересному и знаменательному.
Oh, you certainly know that I got it here on a very fitting, very important
Извините, возьму
occasion.
другие очки, потому что
Let me change my glasses.
попался слепой посол,
Because you're dealing with the blind ambassador.
видит слегка только.
Sees just a little bit. Let me read
Вот
this.
вы, наверное, знаете,
You know, perhaps, that
что президент России Ельцин
President Yeltsin of Russia
был награжден
was awarded
Советом попечителей Американского фонда киноискусства
by the Board of Trustees of the American Foundation for the Performing Arts,
первый международный гуманитарный.
the first international humanitarian award.
Ну, это событие совершенно очевидно тесно связано с деятельностью нашего президента в области политики,
It is obvious that this development has a lot to do with the activity of our president
политики
in
реформистской,
politics, the reformist
политики
politics,
демократической,
the democratic politics.
политики, наверное, на самом трудном направлении,
I would say that in the most difficult
которое только можно себе представить
area
в нашем
which
мире.
can't be imagined in this day and age,
Россия с ее
in Russia,
трудной судьбой, трудными традициями
with
в
its
деле
difficult destiny and
перехода к современному, цивилизованному,
difficult
демократическому обществу.
traditions of moving toward a modern civilized society.
Сейчас предпринимает еще одну
You know that Russia is making yet another
трудную попытку
difficult
стать нормальной,
attempt.
Господин Расушев, с которым мы давно и продуктивно Welcome here in the Russian territory, and I hope that will be meeting from time to time. Hope you will be the president.
How you leaving, sir?
Very good. Yes, yes.
Вот они жаждут опять снять.
Great, thank you.
So thank you. I hope to meet you very soon. Obviously, since we're working in a country where mass media, is the most sophisticated. I mean,
Yes.
You have to be
it
very
brings down
careful.
presidents, So
Yes, yes.
in this sense, obviously, it's real tough. But with him,
But
it's
perceptions
much
are-
easier.
He seems like a wonderful fellow to work with.
Have good friends, everything is possible. If you don't, everything is impossible. It doesn't matter.
And so Peter will be calling you, and a lot of what will be coordinated has to be between the two of you. That's one of the reasons I wanted you to exchange cards, so that you two, he wants to have the information on how it would work for Yeltsin on the space bridge to be delivered, so he could get it directly to him, so that he, because it'll go to ambassador or to courier to Yeltsin. Would that be the best way to go?
Well,
Как Ленин.
Но самое интересное, это когда ты зашел, закурил, и все после этого закурили. Все сидели, молчали.
Да. Первого, потом все.
Самое рискованное.
Так все вообще. У меня есть такой интересный момент. Я дружу еще с Россией, с Володей Буковским. Знаешь, этот, которого Ельцин приглашал, вообще отсидел полжизни. И он кончал Стэнфордский университет, поскольку он занимается биологией, да, биомозгом. Вот. И туда приехала королева Великобритании. А он с ней дружит. Значит, они там за месяц рассчитали, кто где садится. Та пришла, значит, перекладывает это, вдруг берет Буковского и ставит рядом с собой. Там целая вообще трагедия, вообще, потому что должен сидеть ректор, все. Буковский приходит, садится, все. Все англичане курят много, трубки, там, сигары, вообще все. И вот после кофе все мучаются, и королева разговаривает, все шутят, и всем хочется выйти и покурить. Вдруг Буковский берет, лезет в карман, достает сигарету. Все бледные, подходят ректор. Немедленно выйдите сигарету. Вообще вы что делаете, нарушаете? Вообще это королева перед вами. А та услышала, говорит, официально в моем дворце разрешено Буковскому курить в моем присутствии всегда. И все так только раз. Ну и после этого, конечно, ему пришлось оттуда уйти из университета. Ему не могли простить, не то, что он сидел с королевой, и не то, что он закурил, и один.
Charlie, what needs to be brought up on this? All right? Is there a way that you can communicate with facts? Okay.
But I won't be able to reach him till, what day is he getting back though?
Not getting back until...
He's skiing.
Skiing, but where is he staying? Do you know where he's staying?
No, but I can reach his secretary.
Good,
and-
because then he can be faxed. Very important right now because we're in charge of this.
Will do.
Когда это будет транслироваться?
Okay, so we are not gonna
Вот
meet
эта
anymore
запись, когда будет транслироваться?
today.
Я не знаю, мы завтра ее пошлем по спутнику.
А когда
Where do
будет
you
там
stay?
это?
Как они...
Where do you stay?
Сейчас
In
очень
this
трудно
hotel?
сказать, потому что такие события происходят все время.
Понятно.
Washington.
I don't know. We'll discuss with him if he wants.
So in that
We
case-
might stay another day and.
So,
Thanks so much.
Likewise, we'll see again. Definitely will.
okay, well.
Да, увидимся позже тогда.
You will leave and that is.
Part of the technology,
I understand.
but it's the content that makes it work. And part of the problem with great technology is finding, like holograms, for instance. I put on a hologram exhibition almost 30 years ago.
After your program, there were beautiful songs in the world. You got me there. One point belongs to you, but I'll come next time to interview you again.
That's great.
No problem.
I won't hold that against you.
This is a question to be asked. It's just like I was, I guess, in November, I went out to Boston to do a lecture. And the guy who was treating me at the airport, had this special South accent, like, hey, buddy, how are you, this and that. And I said, where are you from? He said, when you say Christiana, don't hold it. Television, yeah. Funny things happen.
You should write an article about the role of American entertainment in Glasnost or Perestroika or
It's now playing a personal role in the education of my son, just yesterday was the last segment out. We have 3
Now returning back to history.
Yes.
Pasol said to me, Ambassador, that I have to part in open Warsaw. To restore this tradition, we often see great work, energy, enterprise, to revitalize energy. 2 a.m., thousands of people arrive in a huge circus to deal with the San Diego, something we were in Chile. Without permission of Moscow, without controlled script, live. But it was not artistic, it was just event. Now you challenged in Armin Hammer Museum with your sister city in St. Petersburg to make historical trip to the future, and people should believe it's possible. It's challenged to Hollywood, to Oscar, to whatever.
Well, it's not only that, but it's the beginning of the next century.
Yeah, definitely can announce, after they can announce everything. Future already arrived, this is future, let's move together to the future. And then, but they enough supportable already from Russian side. You see, but they want to kind of move, well, it's kind of a good time in Hollywood. How it relates to us. They removed it. Let's be from the street, tell about their...
Yes.
Котик.
And where they see.
Котик, смотри сюда.
Where they see.
We want once again, okay, express, no problem, Admiral, yes, I am.
It's Women's Day. So here we are coming down the embassy in Washington, and this is our day. Hillary and I are women.
Victory,
Yes.
victory,
Look at this.
victory. How long it takes to make victory?
So long.
What a... 6?
Но, честно говоря, такого Айвазовского еще нигде не видел.
Да?
Прекрасная картина.
Она действительно, мне кажется, совершенно не его, казалось бы, да? Но тем не менее.
Там вам всякие интересные.
Capabilities down. Sure. You have a card?
Dream, yes.
You have a card?
Oh, no, I thought you had to sign a card.
Oh, a card. You have a card. So how should we?
Obviously, at night,